Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2014 Infiniti Q50 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this screen right here, the GPS system, and go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Excuse me. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. And if you have push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. And this should come up, and you go ahead and scroll to your right. Keep going until you get here. Once you get here, go ahead and click on that maintenance note. Go ahead and click on the maintenance. Go ahead and hit on all parts. Go ahead and click on engine oil. And go ahead and hit that reset. Now go back. And you're gonna have to reset the oil filter also. And okay, this particular customer does not want to reset the oil filter, so that's fine. Go ahead, or you can reset this to another date if you want, which I'm probably going to do. Let's go to 2022 and go to December. Okay, and you can do that. You can also do that with the engine oil. I think I'm going to do that. Go ahead and 2022, hit OK, and that's it. Go back and let's try to reset. Okay, so they have this turned off. So basically that's how you reset the maintenance system, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.